Hello, welcome to the installation guide of Virtual Roll Call, the web application. The first thing you're going to want to do is get XAMPP, which is where you're going to host the project locally. Download for whatever operating system you have. When you do that, you'll find it in your C drive under XAMPP, and all the files will be there. You can check that it's working by going to XAMPP control and seeing that Apache and MySQL are running. If you want to start, stop, or maybe even open the control, you might have to run as administrator. Next, you're going to want to go into the HT docs where you'll put the code that you downloaded from you'll want to put in this folder code from the virtual roll call version 7 file to the XAMPP HT docs in this folder. Now go to localhost. Nope, not that one. And go to phpMyAdmin. This is where your database will be and where you can manage it there. For you to be able to use the database, you're going to want to go to where all the code is. You can use whatever editor you like, but I'm using VS Code. Go to database and go to the VRC schema version 7. Once you're there, you want to go all the way to the top and just copy all the way down, but before line 367. So once you copy that, you'll want to go here, press tables, go to SQL, and paste it here. Once it's there, just press go, and it'll create the database schema with the tables. The tables will not have anything in them, but this is what this part of the code is for. So you'll want to copy this, go back, click on the database, go to SQL, and then paste. It's going to give you some errors, but just delete those. And it's going to give you an error here that this is not part of it. So you're going to want to delete that, but you're going to want to add your own Google API key for later use. So once you press go, it'll add these items to the specified tables. So we go to settings. Everything should be there. After you do that, you should be good to go on to the website. So just go to localhost / wherever you put it. So since in the HT docs it's under VRC code and then application, you'll just want to go to that same address. And then it should load up. The first thing you can do is just type in the admin, and the username will be VRCB1234. And you'll be all set. These might not show up because you haven't added them yet. But you can go to the administrator and supervisor to add documents and new users and categories. there you go. That's the installation guide for VRC.